So I'm finally back home. I went to the movies, I went to Ross, and I did some dorm shopping. So I just want to show y'all what I got. Okay, I want to show y'all what I got. So first I got these little pants hangers, you know, so I can be a little organized. Then I got some slippers. Look how cute, look how cute. Purr. Then I got some face wipes to take off my makeup, and then body wash, and then some lotion that smells mad good, and then some, what is this? Toothpaste. Okay. So that's basically all I got, and I literally got all of that stuff for $40. 40. Get into it, or $0. So yeah, let's get ready for bedtime, unwinding, you know the deal.
This time we'll take it slow. Go figure, you are the trigger. You brought me to an abstract view. When you know the picture was bigger, who was the kidding? But from the beginning, you ruin everything, every time. You are no friend of mine, motherfucking right. Motherfucking right, I'm bitter. Motherfucking right, I'm triggered.
Quickly go over my privacy for tonight. If you can hear my fan, once again, my bad. It is way too hot in here. But today I just studied Matthew 4:4, and I think this is how it looks. I literally am so obsessed with Bible study. I'm falling in love with the Word again.
find my dreams as I cover my face so they can see your face in me.